Alright guys, so if you're kind of struggling as to what to cook while you're on keto, I'm going to make this keto bacon cheeseburger casserole. So stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, so the ingredients for this casserole are very, very easy. I'm going to show you exactly what to get and how much to use. Okay, so I got all the ingredients. The only thing I didn't get are like some seasonings, which I actually have at home, but I'll show you that when I start cooking this awesome bacon cheeseburger casserole. All right, stay tuned. All right, here's a couple more ingredients I didn't have to get at the store. So we're gonna roasted garlic, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, we got some salsa, and then we got some of this onion powder, and then there's some minced garlic. I don't have it out yet, but it's in the fridge. Alright guys, so we're cooking up the beef right now. 2 pounds of beef. And then we got our bacon over here. And I had to chop this up. This is about a whole pound of bacon. Alright guys, so you just pour this 2 pounds of meat and a pound of bacon into a casserole dish like so. Alright. Don't mind my son, he's just screaming in the background there. You know how it is, parents, come on. Alright, so now we're going to pour our mixture that we made earlier. And you don't want to mix this all together. It's going to settle, so you just want to leave it like this. Alright guys, so once you do that, we're just going to sprinkle a little more cheese on there. You can never have enough cheese. I don't care what anybody says, you got to make it happen. Guys, this is only going to take 16 minutes at 350 degrees. Stick this in here. There we go. We'll wait 16 minutes and we'll see how it tastes. Alright guys, it is done. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Check that out. Still bubbling. Man, I can't wait to try it. Oh yeah, let's see how this looks. Around here. I forgot to show you guys how it tasted. I'm almost done already. It was excellent. And I also got this salad too. Don't forget your veggies. You need at least 7 to 10 cups a day. I got this huge salad. Man, that was good. Okay guys, so since I didn't show you before I ate, I had to grab another piece, and I added some sour cream. You can have sour cream on keto, so if you want to add some sour cream to this dish, I would highly recommend it.